In this video, we will show how to automatically sort PDF pages based on their bookmark order using the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. The AutoBookmark plugin introduces a powerful auto-sorting functionality that makes document restructuring completely effortless. The primary advantage of this feature is that your actual page order remains permanently synchronized with your bookmark hierarchy. To do this, navigate and click on the Menu button, then click on the Plugins section. Select the Bookmarks option, then the Sort button, and click on Auto Sort Settings. In the Auto Sort Pages Settings tab, ensure that the Enable Auto Sort functionality option is selected, as well as the other 4 options. Click OK to run the process. Now simply moving a bookmark within the panel instantly shifts its corresponding page to match the new order. This background synchronization is highly intelligent and works for both individual pages and entire multi-page chapters. If a bookmark points to the first page of a section, the plugin automatically moves the entire logical group of pages to the correct position. The software also handles routine document updates automatically to keep everything in sync. For example, you can configure the plugin so that deleting a page automatically removes its associated bookmark. Furthermore, if you add a brand new bookmark or manually change a bookmark's destination using the Edit Action dialog, the system instantly resorts the pages. No matter how you modify your layout, AutoBookmark ensures your physical document pages always conform perfectly to your bookmark structure. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.